Hi, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. I'm here today to show off our pre-owned pick of the week. This is a 2005 Chevy Equinox. This is the LT model equipped with all-wheel drive, and the vehicle has less than 40,000 miles on it. Averaged out over the age of the vehicle, that's less than 3,000 miles a year. Based off the condition of the vehicle, you can tell it was very lightly used and well taken care of. We can jump inside and see the condition of the interior and everything it has to offer in here. You can see the mileage on the dashboard, radio entertainment system, power windows, and this vehicle is also equipped with a sunroof. These vehicles are known for being very reliable, judging by the mileage this vehicle has and the price that it has. You can see on the windshield it's priced under $7,000. This is certainly one of the best values that you're going to find right now on our lot, and I'm positive you will get your money's worth investment out of this vehicle. It will go fast. We've already had a bit of interest. Please let us know if you have any questions. 708-429-3000.